You're going to love the new 2024 Ford F150 LARIAT 4x4 Super Crew FX4, both inside and out. Chrome grille, V8 power, 10-speed auto, 24 miles per gallon highway. 20-inch chromed out premium wheels wrapped in hand coops. LARIAT badging, official Ford side steps. This is called Truffle. I love the interior. Heated and vented front power driver and passenger seats. Big, huge console. We can deploy or stow the console shifter, wireless charging connectivity, power inverter, 12 volts of power, all of our climate and radio controls, navigation on the big screen, and 360-degree camera. We have our different drive modes, trailer brake controller, pro trailering, full digital cockpit, B&O premium sound system, leather-wrapped steering wheel with hands-free controls. Oh yeah, in the back, big, huge floor mats throughout, and also a roadside assistance kit. We have our power inverter, USB hub right here, also 12 volts of power, rear air, and of course, we can stow the seats for more storage. Now, here's the cool part. We have our cleat mounts here and a swinging tailgate. What? Yes, it swings like a gate, and it still operates like a traditional tailgate. Yes, power in the back and LED lighting and plenty of room for, oh, look at that. And it goes up on its own like magic. Also, we're ready for a trailer with a new 2024 Ford F150 LARIAT FX4 4x4 Super Crew available at Payne Weslaco Ford. I'm Chris Marshall of the Payne Street Team, brought to you by PayneAutoGroup.com, where we have what you want. Lo que tu quieres, regardless.